Welcome back, guys. So you already watched my previous video on stock market basics and also stock market investing. Now you're all ready to start your stock market investment journey. But how do you start? What is stock market analysis? Let's learn more in this episode. Jom. There are typically two types of basic stock market analysis used. Technical analysis. Another one is fundamental analysis. So do watch this video until the end to know more about the difference between these two, the pros of it and also the cons of it. Technical analysis is a process to identify buying opportunity at a lower price and selling opportunity at the higher price. It basically focuses on the daily price movements. So various indicators are actually used to somehow or rather predict the future movement of the price. Example, price action analysis using candlestick patterns, trend analysis, chart patterns, support and resistance analysis, volume analysis, and so on. Most of the traders also use chart indicators such as RSI, stochastic, MACD, bukan MACD tapi dia MACD, Fibonacci, and etc. Don't worry kalau tak faham. The thing is, technical analysis requires more commitment and also experience and knowledge, of course. Timing sometimes is the key to catch the short movement of the price and make quick profit out of it. One important thing to take note is technical analysis will always take toll on your emotion and sometimes in the lifestyle of a person, because price movement is actually out of your control and your emotions will kick in when the price does not go the direction that you want it to go.
No! God, please, no! No!
So professional traders have actually mastered the art of keeping their emotion away when they are making trading decisions. This is to control the risk which is involved. Tapi kita ni manusia biasa je. Kita bukan professional trader macam diorang. So don't beat yourself up. Take it slow, start small, and know the loss that you can handle. Since technical analysis is sensitive to price movements, sometimes you need to put in a very narrow stop loss to minimize the risk and also protect your capital. Apa tu stop loss? Stop loss is a point that is determined by you to exit the trade when the trade is not going your way. Susah decision tu, tapi kadang-kadang kena buat juga lah. But if you're a busy person and you just want to learn trading while doing your job or business, then technical analysis method might not be suitable for you. This is where fundamental analysis comes in. Fundamental analysis best suits people who have other commitments such as work or business rather than the stressful daily chart watching activities. So it also frees you from the intense emotion which is involved. Technical and fundamental analysis are totally different because fundamental focuses on company financial rather than stock trending or historical price patterns. It highlights the fact that the company's share price will eventually reflect a company's potential earning. Sometimes it's not true enough. Ada juga case goreng. So how do you analyze a business prospects and anticipate its growth? Fundamental analysis focuses more on the cash flow, business growth potential, debt to asset ratio, management team, evaluating the quality of the business, its current financial performance, and the ability for it to generate income. Remember that unlike forex or crypto, there is a company behind every stock. So looking at the aspects how strong is the fundamental of a business plays a bigger role in determining the risk which is involved. Of course, 2 decades ago, analyzing company finances requires special access for financial and business related documents. But now, at the new age of stock investing, everything is available at your fingertips, just a few clicks away. Websites like iSaham, KLSC, Malaysia Stock Biz offers most of the info that you need in order to study the business prospects. Thanks to online learning opportunities, you don't actually need an MBA or a business degree to understand the facts involved in the business world. YouTube, logic thinking, simple maths, and a little bit of intelligence would be able to do the job. Not to say you'll become a financial expert overnight, but your knowledge will be sufficient enough to understand the twists and turns in stock market investing. So if you read more on fundamental analysis, you will realize that it mainly revolves around a sort of determination of what the experts call as intrinsic value, or known as the future fair value of the stock. This is the primary approach used by the successful investor Warren Buffett when he invested in Coca-Cola.
There's 1.8 billion 8-ounce servings of Coca-Cola products sold every day. Now, if you take 1 penny and get 1 penny extra, that's $18 million a day.
He felt that the business had a bright prospect, hence valuing its future value that will appreciate over time. So dia pun invest lah dalam Coke. This is just an example of using fundamental analysis technique to approach stock market investing. So in conclusion, there are two different methods. Whichever method suits you the best will actually make you a confident stock market investor. Bear in mind, there are successful investors in both ends. Some are very good in fundamental and some are very good in technical. But if you ask me which one is better, my personal opinion would be a little bit of both is good. Because even though a company's stock might be going uptrend and the fundamental looks awesome, but an investor should know when is the best time for entry. This is where technical analysis comes in handy. We will learn more in detail on the two types of analysis which is involved in the next upcoming videos. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel, because it really motivates me to add on more simplified content relating to stock investing and finance for layman understanding. Yeah, there are many videos on YouTube, but most of them are very complicated. Thank you for your support. I'm Harin from DuitKu TV. See you in the next video. Signing off.